Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1970 SS Chevelle. This is a Canadian car. We have paperwork on it. This is a 396 under the hood. It's not a date code correct or matching motor, but it is the 396. Very clean car inside and out. It's got the 4-speed transmission. And here after the test drive, after the walk around video, we're gonna be doing a test drive of this car. We do that with every car on the lot. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, check out maplemotors.com. That's my main website. I have detailed pictures of this ride inside out and underneath. I have shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories available. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you can see daily content. Also hit that like and share. That helps us out a lot here on YouTube. And thanks in advance. We're gonna get started. What I like to do is go down the lower portions where all the problems mainly consist on most of any of these classics, and we'll work our way up. Let's get started here. Right around the front bumper, it looks brand new. Same with the grille, headlight bezels, everything is nice and clean. Coming down the lower portion, the tires look very new, nice and clean. Coming down the lower body portion here, looks like a little bit of wax was left on that door there. There's a few little wax spots popping up on the door here. There's a spot right here too. It's got some rock guard on it and then wax left on there. Very, very small bubbles popping up back here. That looks like it could be from the paint. Coming down this lower portion. Pretty solid in the back there. Let's go down the mid section. See the door handle on it? Nice and clean. The top portion here, you got a lot of extra wax left in these crevices. Just kind of wiping it off on my hands. Somebody probably waxed it every day. Windshield looks pretty good. Trim, it's in good shape. There's a little bit of dent right there, probably where they were trying to pop it on. See if I can get it to pop up. Looking across the roof, it's nice and clean. Back window trim looks great. And this car is slick, guys. The trunk weather stripping looks good. Been replaced. Little pieces of weather stripping down in here. They may have just replaced that one. And all the old stuff's still trying to come off in the jam there. Back bumper looks pretty new. Dual exhaust out the back. Not very even though, is it? We've got a dent down here. I wouldn't have noticed it, but it's kind of creased in right here just a little bit compared to this side. See that? It's probably what happened to that exhaust. Checking the trunk. See, there was some water right here. Sat down and I just rubbed my hand all in it. I knew that was wet. Why did I do that? Package tray looks good. Just kind of checking everything out. Trunk lid, nice. Come down with this. I have to give her a firm shut. We're gonna do the same thing, come down this lower portion, back midsection, and hit the top on the driver's side. Looking down the body here. They picked up some dirt when they took pictures of this. We do have those detailed pictures online. There's some paint runs right here by the driver's door. See them paint runs? Bottom of the doors look good. Extra wax left on the rock guard. You got some swirls popping up right here. Wax too hard, Mr. Miyagi. Coming up over the fender. And we're going back the midsection. Right here along that door jamb, you got some more of those little paint swirls. Looks like they just waxed on it a little hard there. Coming back to midsection. Got some imperfections sitting on top of the paint there. I can feel them. Door handle's been replaced. Paint run right here, a little thick. All right, made it all the way around. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Back seat on this car looks awesome. Package tray. Headliner. Oh, it's hanging a little bit right here in the corner. Headliner looks pretty good though. Coming up to the front seat, go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Seat's not ripped up, in decent condition. Carpet looks great, front and rear. Door panel is in great shape. And nice weather stripping. Looking at the bottom. Pretty good. Go ahead and jump in here. This will be the first time I have personally started this car. They took it to get pictures and told me a little bit about it, and I did some research on the motor and started this video. I'm literally learning about this car with y'all. It's kind of what I do every day now. Well, sometimes you can push that down and let go and it just stays. How about that? Look at them old school gauges. I don't think I've ever seen that style. All right, let's start her up. She does start up easy. Should have the face to the radio in the office. Normally they take those off to keep people from messing our windows up or breaking in the cars. And yes, they still do CD players. The mileage is showing 31,000. This is a 70 model. Pretty much impossible to figure it out without paperwork proving it. Windshield wipers do not work, or let me check. Oh, they're there. They're there. They're just not cutting on. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We will cut the headlights on and the turn signal and check that here in a moment. Blower motor, nothing, just like my car. I gotta replace the blower motor too. Looking under the dash. Engine temperature is showing low. We'll let her warm up and check. Oil pressure seems to be working. Seems a little high though, 70. Just look around here. Turn signals are not blinking on the dash. They're just staying on. We'll find out what that's about too. Tack is not working. Clock is not working. Horn? No horn on this one. Okay, so now we got the left turn signal on and the headlights on. We'll check the tail lights, headlights, and turn signals. So it looks like our running lights are not cutting on, but the turn signal is just staying on here. Let's check that out. We'll turn the other one on, see what it does. We have a bad bulb on the right side is what this is indicating to me. The running light's working over here, and the turn signal was cutting on. May have a flasher bad as well. Headlights are all on. Turn signal's still on. It's not flashing from the front. Okay. Let's go ahead and shut this hood down, see how easy it comes down. One-handed, everything's greased up good. And she's locked. I just barely pushed down. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots now. We're also gonna do a test drive, so be looking for that test drive video. You can see a lit undercarriage shot of this ride, and also just know everything about the car after you watch both of these. Let's look under it. Okay, hit that subscribe button for daily content. Go to maplemotors.com to see detailed pictures, get financing information, also shipping information. We ship these cars out pretty much all over the country, and we're always getting about 10 cars a week. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and watch future videos. If you go back in time, you can find about 17 or 1800 previous videos here on YouTube. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys.